Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Chase investment account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you remove a beneficiary from your Chase investment account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove somebody as a beneficiary in your Chase investment account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you have an investment account, sometimes the beneficiary no longer deserves it, or maybe you're doing whatever the case is. It's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Chase online banking. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Chase account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to delete or remove a beneficiary from your Chase investment account, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little person icon. Once you do that, you're going to click on profile and settings. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu on the left and you want to click on investments. Once you click on investments, you want to click on beneficiaries. Okay, once you do that, go ahead and choose the investment account if you have more than one by clicking on the little arrow next to it. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of the beneficiaries for your Chase investment account. You can see I just have this one person. And to delete them, here on the top right, you're going to click on edit in blue. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the beneficiaries you might have. And then on the beneficiary you'd like to delete or remove, off to the right, click on the blue remove button. All right, once you do that, you're going to see this. Are you sure you want to remove the beneficiary you've chosen from your account? If so, click on yes, remove. I'm not going to do that because I don't need to make any changes to my investment account. But there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a beneficiary from your Chase investment account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.